Good morning, dear students.
So, I hope you all are fine and healthy. In our last video in English, we started advertisement writing. Okay, so I told you all the rules and regulations. First of all, I wanted to revise all the things. There are two types of advertisement. One is classified, and second one is, as I told you, that display, general or display advertisement. Now, this second type of advertisement, general or display advertisement, it is also known as a poster making. Okay. So yesterday we show all the rules and regulations of the classified advertisement, then how it used, when it used, okay, and I also told you it is all about the rate are all about the charge per word, right? Now today I am here, I have one classified advertisement. This is a classified advertisement. See, this kind of question will be asked in your question paper. You plan to sell your flat, draft and advertisement in not more than 50 words. See, not more than 50 words, to be interested by giving all the necessary details. Full stop. Raj 27, Premnagar, Ahmedabad. Now, see students, in your question paper, they didn't give you that this is a classified advertisement or this is a display advertisement or poster making. They didn't give you any kind of description. You have to understand yourself by your question. See here the keywords. Not more than 50 words. Now in classify ad, as we showed yesterday, that these are more means the charges are means charge per letter or word. Okay, so how many letters you have a more, charges are more. So here they told that not more than 50 words. So through that you have to understand that this is a classified ad. Now what you need in a classified ad? So first you need is a title, second you need is a box, and third one 6 or 7 sentences, not more than that. Here title is must, box is also must, and 6 or 7 sentences. If you write in a whole page, then the classified ad will be, means if you don't get the good marks. Okay, if this advertisement writing is asked for in 4 marks, okay, and if in the classified advertisement, if you write a very big advertisement, then you will never get good marks. But if you write in a short, okay, then you will get 4 out of 4. But the language should be effective. Okay. So now here we have an example of, see, sell your flat. So according to this, I take a title, flat for sale. Okay. Here there is one box. Imagine. So out of the box you have to write advertisement, compulsory, out of the box. Now here after the advertisement you have to leave one line. See here I have a blackboard, so I can't leave a line. After that in the box also you have to leave one line over here. Then flat for sale, title, then you also have to leave one line, okay, and then see the language. For sale, a flat in Premnagar, Ahmedabad. means why the people need that flat. So 3 bedrooms, drawing room, come dining room. So the big drawing room, which is drawing room come dining room, attached bathrooms. Okay, attached bathroom means there are 3 bedrooms and all bedrooms has attached toilet bathrooms. In all the rooms with modern design and furniture. So these bathrooms are with the modern designs and also there are furniture in all the rooms. Okay, price around 40 to 50 lakhs. See, very short language, but here the whole description of the flat is given. That 3 bedrooms are there, 3 bedrooms are with the modern designs. Okay, that modern designs of bathroom, modern designs of furniture. There is a very big drawing room come dining room. Okay, and they also give the price around 40 to 50 lakh. Okay, and interested people may contact on 96246 96046444055. Here is any number. Okay, so listen me very carefully that this is of 1 2 3 4 only 5 lines are there and one is a title, means total 6 lines are there. So in your supplementary, half page is more than enough for this classified advertisement. Okay, and you will get 4 out of 4 marks. So you can achieve marks very easily in this classified ad. Now we have a second type of ad, that is general or display advertisement, which is also known as a poster making. See, now how this poster making or how this general advertisement is used. This is used most probably for the product advertisement of the product. Okay, so now this kind of advertisement you can see in your newspaper. There is a very big in front page or in a last page. For the half page there is advertisement of flats, cars and all that things, right? And these advertisements are not as the charge for the word, but this is about charge per column. Means if you are using half page, the charges are different. If you are using full page, the charges are different. If you are using 1/4 page, then charges are different. Okay. Now, so this ad can be if this kind of ad is asked in your question paper, then you have to use the whole page. See, listen me students very carefully. In this kind of advertisement, you can use bold letters, you can use drawings, okay, coloring pictures, but you can't use different kind of colors. You have to use what? You have to shading. As an example, if you wanted to write in a bold letters, okay. So, if you want to write P, so you can write like this and then you can shade it with your pencil, right? So you can use this kind of words. So, but this can use only and only in a general or display, classic display, not in a classic advertisement. Okay, in this kind of advertisement, see here this is an example of a display or poster making, we can say that. But what is this? There is a no any kind of painting, because you all know that my painting is not that much good. So here I didn't use any kind of painting. Here I use quotes. Okay, so you can use quoted quotes. You can use different kind of proverbs. You can use different kind of things required. But this is not required. Clear? Title and box. And here you can use the whole page. So which is environment? This is there is one campaign about the pollution-free environment. Okay, and you have to draw a poster making, or you have to make a display advertisement for that. So here, pollution-free environment. See, here is the advertisement, and please imagine that here there is a box. Okay, so advertisement is out of the box. This advertisement, you have to write this advertisement. See, here also I write the advertisement out of the box. Here also I write the advertisement out of the box. You have to write this. Okay, pollution free environment. This is title of my advertisement. Then I use what? I use quotations, different kind of quotations. So here I use some different type of quotations. See, pollution free environment is there, so that is why I use how the environment is polluted. I use that kind of quotation in this. Imagine, you all know imagine means we have to think. Imagine, we have to imagine a world without O2. O2 is what? Oxygen. Okay. Air everywhere, not having pure air to breathe. Air everywhere, not having pure air to breathe means O2. A world without O2 means we have we have air in our environment, but that air are how it's polluted. Okay, we don't have a pure oxygen, so we have air all the sides of us, but we can't breathe properly. Why? Because there is no oxygen, because the air is totally polluted. Air. Next is imagine all the rivers, ponds, oceans are black with chemicals. Black. Sub means all the river water. River का पानी है, pond का पानी है. All the rivers are black with the chemical means totally polluted. So we are not able to use that kind of polluted water. See my next quote. Imagine water. Here there is a food and water is used. Water everywhere, not a drop to drink. Means water is everywhere. As I told you in the previous quotation, that the rivers and ponds are totally polluted by the chemicals. So we have a water everywhere, but the water is not able to drink. Why it's not able to drink? Because the water is totally polluted, and the water which mixed with totally chemicals, we are not able to drink that kind of water. But why? Because after drinking that kind of water, our health can be not good. Okay, it injurious to our health. So see, this is the display advertisement or poster making. In the poster making, as an example, if there is they ask that save the water. Okay, so in that you can draw something which is related to water. Okay, you can, as an example, see my drawing is all good, my students. So you can write or then you can write a tap. Okay, here this is a tap, and you can draw a There is one a small classified ad. I don't have an English newspaper, so I taken from the Gujarati newspaper. રહેઠાણ ભાડે વેચાણ આપવાનું છે. રોડ લખ્યા order કેવલ broker and there is a number. So they given a small information in a very less letters, so they don't have to pay much. See here, admission open section. Admission open, एडमिशन चालू है. धोरण मीन्स स्टैंडर्ड दिया हुआ है और थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है और लास्ट में कौन सी जगह पे है. अहमदाबाद, वडोदरा, आनंद, सूरत और संपर्क एंड नंबर दिया हुआ है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड क्लासिफाइड एड. एंड आई आल्सो हैव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ द जनरल और डिस्प्ले. सी हियर, दिस इज अ advertisement of car. They use half of the page. Okay, so they have to charge according to that. Clear? And here I have one more example. They use 1/4 page. Okay, so see, bold letters are there, drawing is there. Okay, they also make a designs. You can do all these kind of things in your question paper, but you never use different kind of pen, sketch pen or colors. You have to use only one thing, pencil or pen. Okay, you can do shading with your pencils, but you can't use different kind of colors. This is a restricted in a board examination. So here is the example of display advertisement. I hope you understand very well. In our next video, I'll come with another any kind of writing portion. Okay, so till that you have to write all these things in your notebook, and I'll send you a worksheet of different kind of advertisement. I will give you the questions. So you have to what you have to do, you have to understand that this is a classified advertisement or this is a display or poster making, whatever is that, and you have